Why is everyone talking about natural language processing? Is it because NLP enables computers to understand us better? Or is it because it holds the key to unlocking critical insights from the vast amounts of text data that we produce every single day? Or is there more to it? Perhaps natural language is a window into our own process of thinking and reasoning. Come, find out for yourself and see what makes NLP such a fascinating subject to explore. You'll learn how to build systems that can identify sentiments expressed in tweets and reviews. You'll also group documents based on underlying topic models and even translate text from one language into another. And all of that using state-of-the-art tools and techniques that'll prepare you for the jobs of tomorrow.